If you are just playing with your phone and you have no income from it, watch this video right now. I am going to introduce you a game that you can earn $500 a day by playing it. Today I'm going to introduce you a game that will give you a lot of income in addition to entertainment. The name of this website is non-fungible.io, and on this website the game is played in such a way that you have to hit the llama on the page and earn it return. I think you almost know this llama. This colorful llama is used in various celebrations where children get chocolates by eating this llama with a stick. Well, I think this information about llama was complete. So let's go to the rest of the video. On the first page of the website you can see the desired llama. Below that there is an option to register on the site. After clicking on create account, you complete your registration by entering your information such as your name, password and email, as well as choosing the desired avatar from this section. But the important point of this site is that you must have an invitation code to enter and earn money. That's why I put my invitation code in the Telegram channel, whose link is pinned in the comment section. After completing the information, you will enter the game space and see new features such as hertz and the amount of money earned. These hertz are the number of times you are allowed to hit the llama, and by hitting the llama, one of your hertz will decrease. But don't worry, these hertz can be received every few minutes from the lower part of the llama's feet, and the higher your level goes, you can receive hertz in less time and earn more income. Well, when I start eating, the llama gives me rewards that include money, extra hertz and also coins. I will explain to you what these coins are used for. In the profile section, you can see your level in this game. The more you pay, the more your level will increase. My friend, if you like this type of videos, be sure to subscribe to our channel and also like this video to support us. Well, let's go to the next part of this site where you can see your invitation link and send it to your friends. This will make your level go up faster, because every person who enters the website with your link and registers, you will be given 5 XP. Finally, we reached the important part of the site, which gives you an income of $500. In this section you have tickets that you can use to participate in lotteries. These replays include daily replays that gives $500 to the first person and $50 to the second to 10 people. So try your luck to be one of the 10 winners every day. In the last part you can get more hertz by doing a task here. You know, more hertz means more income. Well, now is the time to review the income. To cash out your income, just click on the money option to enter the cash out section. You can receive your income from here by Bitcoin, PayPal, Tron and Dogecoin, each of which the lowest amount of money to cash out is between $20 and the highest is $50, while the lowest amount to cash out is through Dogecoin. Let's go to 10 site that no one knows and whose user receive an income of $200 per day. So if you want to earn from these sites, be sure to watch the recommended videos.